The INVSMT-1SSP semi-automatic solder paste printer is an indigenously developed stencil printing system designed for precise and consistent solder paste deposition on PCB prior to component placement. Built for reliability, ergonomics, and ease of maintenance, this machine bridges the gap between manual and fully automatic printers, ideal for low to mid-volume SMT production lines. Key features are semi-automatic operation, controlled squeegee motion with automated print cycle for uniform paste, spread and consistent print thickness, precision alignment system, adjustable PCB fixture table with micrometer level fine adjustment for accurate stencil to pad registration. Reduce setup time and improve repeatability, maintenance-friendly design and cost-effective alternative to imported semi-auto stencil printers. INVSMT-1SSP semi-automatic solder paste printer. Order today. Machine is also available in Amazon.in.